rocks beneath our feet to the metals that shape tomorrow. Minerals do more than power our devices or build our skylines. They fuel development, enable progress, and transform economies. But recovery doesn't just happen. Ores are complex, conditions vary, and in Africa, water chemistry changes with every border crossed. So, standard solutions won't do. At MetSoP, we don't just develop reagents, we engineer chemistry with context. We understand complex terrains, from Zambia's recycled brines to Botswana's clay-heavy flows. We design chemicals that adapt, respond, and perform. Whether it's selective collectors like MetFloat 40 or co-collectors that cut xanthate use by over 60%, our innovations are tested, trialed, tailored. Higher grades, smarter recovery, lower environmental impact. This is not off-the-shelf chemistry. It's precision science, informed by geology and grounded in performance. Where chemistry meets strategy. Where innovation meets the continent's mineral future. Where performance meets purpose. Even the best tools mean little without understanding the land. At MetSoP, we understand both. Partner with us and let's reimagine mineral processing for a smarter, more sustainable future.